So now let's see how we can edit out text in perspective inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, I'm going to take my text tool and let me just go around and click and drag around the text typing area. And I'm going to go around welcome right here. Welcome to TutorTube, just like this. So here you can see that I have a text, and if I were to take my contour editor tool perspective, you can see that I actually cannot select out the text and then change it out into perspective. So for that, what you need to do is you need to break apart the text right here into a vector graphics. So to do that, I'm just going to go around over here onto tools, and I'm going to go around onto convert and break apart text layer right here. So once I do that, the text layers are broken apart, as you can see. So you also need to do this twice. So I'm just going to go to tools again, and then I'm going to go to convert, and then I'm going to click break apart right here. So once I do this, this has been converted into a vector graphics. So now if I were to go around onto the perspective tool right here, I can go around, and then you'll be able to see, let me just select this. So once I select out everything right here, you can see that I can go around and pull this text apart just like a graphics, as you can see, and then it has been changed into a perspective right here. So you can go around, keep this at the top right here, go around, keep this at the top, and this is what you have, as you can see. So you can pull this out over here as well, and this is in perspective. Similarly, what you can also do is you can use the contour editor to edit out the things right here. So you can go around and then change around the contour, the text points over here as well, and get the look you want. And that is how you can edit text in perspective by using contour tool inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.